Determine if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial. To test if a binomial like this is a factor of this polynomial, use the factor theorem. According to the factor theorem, if x minus a is a factor of polynomial p of x, then p of a is equal to 0. To see if x minus 1 is a factor of this polynomial, we plug in the numerical value into the polynomial, but make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. X minus 1 is in this form, so we plug in 1. So we get p of 1 equals 1 to the 4th minus 12 times 1 cubed plus 37 times 1 squared minus 6 times 1 minus 56. 1 to the 4th is simply 1. 1 cubed is 1, so it's minus 12. 1 squared is 1, so we have plus 37. 6 times 1 is 6, so minus 6 and minus 56. Combining the positive terms, we get 38. Combining the negative terms, we get negative 6 and negative 56 is negative 62. Minus 12 is minus 74. 38 minus 74 is negative 36. Since the result is not 0, that means that x minus 1 is not a factor of this polynomial.